Let's face it, rules are meant to be broken, unless we're talking about, of course, eating expired sushi. But when it comes to photography, there's one rule you're going to hear about again and again, and that is the rule of thirds.
Sounds fancy.
But it's actually really simple, and today I'm going to explain it in plain English and show you exactly when to follow it and when to toss it out the window like last week's tuna salad. But before we go diving into today's topic, thanks again for tuning in to Shoot Happens. If you're into learning photography without the techie jargon overload, you're in the right place. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more easy tips that are actually make sense. So what is the rule of thirds? Picture your image divided by two horizontal lines and by also two vertical lines, kind of like a tic-tac-toe. Where these lines intersect, well, that's where the magic happens. Placing your subject on one of those intersections or along the lines can make your photo much more balanced, more interesting, and just plain better. So let's say you're shooting a portrait. Try placing your subject's eyes along the top third line instead of dead center. Boom! Instantly more engaging. Or maybe you're shooting a landscape. Put the horizon on top or bottom third instead of the right through the middle. It gives your shot a sense of space and intention. The rule of thirds also works great for storytelling. So let's say you're capturing a subject that's traveling through the frame like a mountain biker. Place them on one side so there's movement in front of them. It feels much more natural and lets the photo, let's say, breathe. But here's the twist. The rule isn't the boss of you. Sometimes breaking it gives you much more powerful images. Centering your subject can create drama, symmetry, or draw the viewer's attention straight to the point. And as you can see here, breaking the rule of thirds on purpose can be just as effective as following it. The key is knowing, friends, why you're doing it. If breaking the rule adds emotion, impact, or tells the story better, go for it. Photography isn't about following the rules blindly. It's about making creative choices that work for your vision. So here's your homework. Grab your camera, go out with your camera. Yes, okay, even the one on your phone, and try shooting the rule of thirds in mind. Then go out there and break it. Try both, compare the results, and start building your visual instincts. I think you're going to find as you practice the skill, your images will improve a lot. Not a matter of if, might, or maybe, they will. All right, friends, and that's going to be it. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other Shoot Happen videos for more beginner-friendly tips. Until next time, well, hey, keep shooting, keep learning, and remember, the best way to get better is to keep on clicking.